Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add art page border just one page in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add art page border just one page. Now going to the insert point option, then click. Now select from a, then I show the many page. Now select for just one page. Now select. Now choose from the page number 2. Now click for insert menu option, then click for text box. Now draw text box in our page. Now going to the drawing tool from format menu option, then click for shape outline option. Now click for dash option. Now click for more lines option, then click for border art option. Now we select from any border art. Now select, then click for OK. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see add art page border just one page in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.